And that digger bucket is heading for my head. Woo! Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here at Digital Construction Week. But I'm also on site behind me because I've gone full VR so I can be safe but see how the safety system from 3D Collision Avoidance with Xwatch actually works. But folks, I'm going to have to talk to Jamie when I can see him, aren't I? So this is all we can see behind us here, Jamie, is some really cool, real world VR headset stuff that we can actually experience and look around. That's really bringing safety, it's bringing mobile mapping and all the other things to life here on the stand, but also to be used anyway, can't it?
Absolutely. So the beauty of this is, obviously we've got a stand here at DCW, but we can't take an excavator onto it. We can't take all these massive bits of equipment. And also, even if we couldn't really explain what they're doing and how they work. Yeah. So what we can do is transport people to the environments where they're used properly and show them the full experience, full VR, get them nitty gritty. You can see the mud. Yep. You can get hit in the face by a bucket when it's not working properly. It's great, absolutely fantastic.
This is really important for me, particularly for safety folks. As I put this down and the bucket comes across, I'm like this, whoa, whoa, because I've just got hit by a bucket in virtual reality. In reality, I'd be in hospital and I could have even been a fatality on site. But it brings the toolbox talk into a real experiential space. And that for me is what it's all about. Why is it important to stay out of the red zone? Why is it important to have 3D collision avoidance technology on your site? But also mobile mapping. It allows us to see underneath the ground.
Absolutely, we can almost take you into a scan. Why do we do it? What's it for? This is what you're looking at. This is how it works. Yeah, you can take someone into a whole different world with it smoothly by sitting on a little seat.
And so we're here at Digital Construction Week, folks, having a virtual reality experience as well as a chat with everybody else. Great place to be at the moment. Come onto the stand here at Leica Geosystems at the Digital Construction Week. But for now, folks, it's time for me to get back to the virtual reality. And that digger bucket is heading for my head. So look out, folks. Woo!